For my students, one of the harder things to master is distinguishing between several of the 15 vowel sounds of American English. Today we will focus on two vowel sounds that are often confused, ah and Listen to these two words and see if you can hear a difference. Not, nut, not, nut. If you watch carefully, you'll notice that both sounds are made with the tongue in the center of the mouth, ah, ah, The difference is that ah is said with a wide open mouth, not, and is made with a medium open mouth, nut. Here are some common words to practice. With a wide open mouth, body, dock, Tommy, lock, rom. With a half open mouth, buddy, duck, tummy, luck, rum. Now listen to these pairs of words so that you can catch the contrast. Body, buddy, body, buddy. Dock, duck, dock, duck. Tommy, tummy, Tommy, tummy. Lock, luck, lock, luck. Rom, rum, rom, rum. Did you hear those differences? You may wish to watch this video again so that your mouth and tongue can coordinate together and you can begin to feel the difference in how to say the sound with the mouth opened wide and then again with a medium opening of the mouth. If you have questions about other tricky American English pronunciations, contact us here for help.